Welcome to this video where we will see a website to make money online by giving feedback to new apps and websites. Before we start with this video, subscribe to the channel to know more about such useful websites and methods to earn money online. Also, stay till end of the video to know about this website and how to work with this website to make money online. So, today's website will help you earn €50 per assignment to just simply give your feedback to new digital products. This website requires participants from worldwide for testing new products without spending money. To make money online with this website, you have to give you experience with the new products. Actually, this website is located in Zurich and was founded in 2015 with their goal to make their customers achieve world of happy users. It actually helps their customers to get feedback on their new digital products for a better experience of the products. They connect their customers and participants to get feedback on the new digital products, generally websites and apps. You will be completely briefed by the website about the new test available according to your interests and location. Your appointment with the client will be set and scheduled by the website. So here, to make money online, you have to give feedback on their customers' products and they pay you €50 for your opinion. The website handles all the payments processes and the money is directly deposited by PayPal or wired into bank account. It's a very simple way to earn money online by just sharing your experience with the new products of the clients. Your feedback will help the clients to know more about their products and they can make changes for best user experience. The website is looking for a wide range of users, no matter what the education, age, computer knowledge the user possess. A typical study will range from 30 to 90 minutes. This is completely a free way to earn some extra cash during spare time. To start earn money online, you have to register with the website and complete the required details. You have to complete all details so that new projects can be assigned to you matching your profile. If your profile fits the project criteria, you will receive an email invitation. Simply answer the required questions and fix the time for the test. At the required date and time, you then have to test the new products via Skype or with the customer on the website. Once completed, you will receive your payment by PayPal or by direct transfer into bank account. You are the first one to test the new product and have the opportunity to improve for a better experience with your feedback. You will generally receive about 1 to 2 invites per week to apply for the test. Usually, a moderator will help and guide you to each step of the test. Test object can vary from test to test. The website clients consists of companies in various fields like retail, banking, insurance, hospitality and much more. To make money online on this website, you have to give honest feedback to the clients as the clients will take important decisions based on your feedback. You can also earn money online with this website by participating in the surveys and giving opinions. This website will help you to make money online in spare time working from home. So, the website from which you can make quick cash is www.testingtime.com. This website will make you earn money online absolutely free without spending a dime. To receive more test invitation, it is essential to give proper true feedback to the customers as it will affect the decision about the product. On the website, anyone can register from anywhere in the world and earn money online. We have come to the end of this video. Subscribe to know more about such websites and methods to make money online. Thank you.